Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change footer background color word. Open your Word document. When you do so, double-click on the footer. After this, in the Insert menu, click on Shapes and select the rectangle. Adjust the dimension of this in the footer. After this, in the menu, Shape Format, click on Shape Fill and choose the color you are going to use. Finally, from the shape outline, you can choose the color of the line for this background. Double-click on the document so you can see how your background color has turned out in the footer in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.